A long time ago, I 3D printed a server rack, and I was just looking at it going, God, this is horrible. So let's upgrade it. This old rack has served me well, but it's just not standard. It has to go. So let's get into the project. It's time for a total overhaul. I'm moving away from good enough to a system that actually respects industry standards. So I spent a total of €5.18 on MandicReally's files. Why? Because it uses real M6 cage nuts. No more DIY workarounds. It's clean, professional. It just sits right. Let's talk about the walls. So what I did here was I used M4 cage nuts that I had lying around with a bunch of M4 screws, and it was just to hold the walls together. I didn't use them for anything else other than potentially the handles, but we'll get into the assembly now in a second. Just wanted to show you guys how I assembled that. Getting into the build, I'm going to let you guys enjoy the footage, but I do want to quickly show a quick tip here. When I was putting in an M6 cage nut, if you don't already know this, you can just take a flathead screwdriver and just clip it in there. Little lesson I learned here. Check your tools before you start the build. My screwdriver died. It also dies again, but anyways, nonetheless, check them. And just like that, we've built the rack. I have a couple of missing ports that I need to go buy some parts for. But I just want to test here to make sure that the cable is going to work. I also just have too long of a cable. I have to customly crimp a couple of cables. I'll get back to that in another time. But I just want to make sure that this actually works for me. And just like that, I found its new home sitting in my living room with a TP-Link Netgear switch with the Aquara hub and a Hive home heating. This build was incredibly smooth. MandicReally's design just absolutely nailed everything I wanted. Check out his YouTube and his Cults 3D page where you can purchase the files that I used in this video in the link in the description. This is the first of many projects here at Louis Prints 3D, so subscribe to join my journey. I'm Louis, thanks for watching, and I'll hopefully see you guys in the next video.